Hey, Doc 4, what are you working on?
Happy Earth Day, Charlie. I'm building the Eco Helper 3000. It shows how we can help the Earth, like turning off lights when we leave a room, recycling bottles, and planting trees.
Whoa, that's awesome. I love helping the Earth.
Did you know turning off lights can save energy and help the planet? Every little bit counts.
So, when we turn off the lights, we're helping the Earth?
That's right, Charlie. It's a bright idea to turn off the lights. Well, when you're not using them. Jumping jelly beans. Who turned off the lights? Oh, whoa!
Uh-oh, not again. Doc 4, are you okay?
I think so, but I know that sound anywhere.
It was Jax.
That playful hopper never misses a chance to surprise us.
Even Jax knows Earth Day is a big deal.
So remember, turn off the lights, take care of nature, and help your community.
Happy Earth Day! See you next time.